morning, friends and family. Lindabradley from Princess House. So, I am here with another layaway package, and I'm wearing, can you see my shirt? It's my fireworks shirt, because this one is the star of the summer. Look, I know you've been inside cooking for over a year now, more than you've ever needed to or wanted to in the past. And you're going to be cooking for a while. I think you realize that if you don't have good quality products, it just makes the whole process more difficult. I am here today to offer you literally everything that you need to have a well-stocked kitchen with all of the tools that you crave at an amazing price. So you ready? Here we go. I have two sets of cookware that is in this package, and what's nice about these cookware is these are the stackables. So they don't take up a lot of room. They save 35% room in your kitchen because you can just stack them all together. The first set that I want to show you is the 8.5 inch set. So this is a 1.75 quart saucepan, and these are nice because they have the spouts on the side and then they have the strainer top. So this is great if you have things in here with water, you can strain it right into the sink. So the first one is a 1.75 quart. The second one is a 3.5 quart. So this is bigger for like mashed potatoes, right? Macaroni and cheese, things like that. And then the third piece I should say, is an 8.5 inch skillet, which is perfect for your breakfast or your small meals. So these all three will stack together, and they come with lids as well. And so this is the first set. This is the 8.5 inch set. But sometimes you need bigger. This is 8.5. This is good for like your breakfast or your smaller meals. And I have the bigger set as well that's going to help you with dinner time. So this is a 10 inch set, enough bigger that it will help you, right? You can cook, you can see plenty of room for 4 chicken breasts, pork chops, salmon, whatever you have. So that's the first piece in this set. The second piece is, I think this is 4 quarts. So this is a 4 quart saucepan, good size for whatever you might need. And then the third piece is I think it's a 6 quart stock pot. So this is good for making your pastas, right? Or your sauces or soups, anything like that. Really quickly, if you don't already know about these pans, they're the ones that in the bottom, they have the 2 little rings. So one is for a teaspoon and one is for a tablespoon of oil. It really helps you with measurements. And then up the sides, there's also measurements. So if you're doing soup and it tells you to put 9 cups of water, you can literally just put it under the faucet, pour it in, you know exactly where 9 cups is. I love things that save me time and save me from washing more things. So these are the 2 items that are in the beginning of the set, all of the cookware that you'll need. Also, these pieces are all tri-ply stainless steel, so stainless steel, aluminum, stainless steel. You can use them on your stovetop, gas, electric, flat top, induction. They can go in your oven up to 350 degrees with the lids, up to 450 degrees without the lids. They have also, for this set, because I want to give you everything that you need for a well-stocked kitchen, I have the knives and the cutting boards. So these are a set of 3 knives, and these all come with the plastic sheaths. So if you have a knife block, that's fine, but you can also just store them with the sheath. They have a really soft plastic foam handle that really feels nice in your hands. It's foam, it's not plastic. And you also see that the blade is dark, so it's non-stick. So especially for things like cheese or tomatoes, they will not stick. So there's 3 different blades. This is the larger one, that's for meats. So we have the cutting boards to match. So the cutting boards are bamboo, which is the best cutting board that you always want wood, you want bamboo. And so they have the colors to match to help you with cross-contamination. So you put your meats on the blue, and then on the green, you have the vegetables, you have your green knife, and then there's an extra one, and that is great for, this is a serrated blade. So this is really good for cheese or sandwiches or anything that you want. All right, are you ready? So far, we have the cutting boards and the knives. We have the 2 sets of cookware, and then let's bring out the big guns. You know you want this. You've been seeing these high-power blenders, and you know how expensive they are, but you know how much they can do for you. So this is our high-powered blender. It has 3 different pre-programmed buttons on here. One is for smoothies. The best part about it, you'll notice it's 1500 watts. When you have a high power blender, those smoothies are smooth. There are no chunks. And it's a great way to hide vegetables that your kids will never know are in there. Kale, spinach, it's awesome. There's also one for dips and spreads. So you can make homemade pesto, homemade hummus, so many different things. And then one of my favorites is there's one for soup. In 7 minutes, it will make hot soup for you. It's amazing. I have made tomato basil soup, broccoli soup, what else? Not minestrone. What else did I make in here? There was another soup that I made. Tomato basil. Oh, butternut squash. So I have great recipes for you, but you will never ever regret having a high-speed blender. It has a tamper, so if you're having things that are thick or sticky, you can mix them around. I've made homemade peanut butter, homemade sunflower butter, just so much. It's amazing. So let me tell you what this whole package is. So this is my layaway number 23. You can start this layaway with a $200 down payment, and then you're going to make 10 weekly payments of $58.48. Let me give you an idea of what that means. So this whole package, let me give you an idea price-wise. This whole set right here sells for $369. This set here sells for $335. This is $80, and this is $549. This whole set, if you just bought it, would be over $1,300. With my pricing, I can save you almost $750. Now you know why I'm wearing fireworks on my shirt. So this is number 23. Start with $200 and then make 10 payments of $58.48. Now, you can change those payments if you want. Just reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. If you want to make just 4 payments, if you want to pay it in full, however you want to do it. We ship anywhere in the United States. As soon as it's paid in full, it ships. This is the set that your kitchen has been asking for, with phenomenal pieces that will last you forever. So just reach out to me, Lindabradley at myprincesshouse.com. I'll get you started on it, and I'm so excited for you to be able to play with your new toys. Have a great summer.